I love going to Dr. Davis's office because I feel extremely comfortable. I love that all of her staff is so welcoming. I know with Dr. Davis that I'm getting the best care because she is up to date on all medical or dental procedures. One of the things that Dr. Davis fixed for me was chips in my front teeth. That was not only causing cosmetic issues, but also with further dental damage. She saw the issue, addressed the issue, and had it fixed within one sitting. Having a smile that I feel comfortable with is extremely important to me. It's the first thing that people see. I work with small children, so my smile is seen a lot, and it can change the environment of the entire room when I feel confident with my smile. If Dr. Davis was in front of me right now, I would just tell her thank you. Thank you for giving me the confidence in my dental care and my smile again.